Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
Open the hood, we have to pull the release inside the car. It's just inside, right around your left knee on the driver's side. You need to release the secondary or safety release. Just kind of feel around for it. This one is right here. Squeeze up. Mass airflow meter is located here, back of the airbox. To remove it, start by unplugging it. Push down on the connector to unlock it, and then sort of wiggle the connector off. Use a Phillips head screwdriver to remove the 2 screws. Grab the screw, put it aside so I don't lose it. Do the same for the other one. This should lift right out of the intake tube. Here's the original mass airflow meter from our car. Got a brand new one from 1AAuto.com. Same style connector, same style mounting holes. This should fit and work great in our vehicle. So you can only install it one way because the screw holes aren't going to line up. So line them up like that. Just push it in. It'll go past the rubber O-ring. Use your magnet if you don't have a magnetic screwdriver. Get that in place. These are just self-tapping screws. As soon as I feel them get tight, I'm just going to stop. It's nice and tight. Reconnect the plug. The job is complete.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1AAuto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.